How to import contacts on Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can import contacts on Zoom. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Zoom account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, by the top part of the screen, you would see a tab displaying some options like products, solutions, resources, plans and pricing, schedule, join, host, web app, etc. And then by the left side of the screen, you'll see other options as well, such as home, profile, meetings, webinars, phones, etc. So for you to be able to add new contacts, all you need to do is to click on the personal contacts option, which is located below phones and above personal devices. So once you click on personal contacts, you'll be taken to the page where you see all of your personal contacts here. Now for me, there are no contacts on my Zoom account, alright? That's why this place is empty. And then all you need to do is to scroll down and then you'll see add contact or import from CSV file. So if you have a CSV file and then you want to import contact from there, just click on import from CSV file. Then the window will pop up in the middle of the screen and then you can decide to drag the file here, or you can select it from your computer device, from your computer files, and then you can see the CSV format, which is name, email, office, etc. So or click on the select CSV file, and then once this window pops up, locate where the file is, click on open and then click on upload, and then just like that, all the contacts in that CSV file would be imported into your Zoom account. Very cool, right? Yeah, I'm sure you try it out today. Thank you.